What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. This is my nephew Hagen, crazy grown out hair. We're gonna give him a vacation haircut with designs on both sides. Hope it's helpful for you guys. Let's get right into it. Alright, we're going to start off, we're going to cut the top first. We're going to go ahead and do a point cut through the whole top. Take off about 3/4 of an inch. We're just going to give him a messy style on top. And the reason I'm going to go ahead and cut the top is because he does have a pretty crazy crown area. I'm going to cut the top, get it dry, and then I can cut my clippers on the side straight up into the top, knowing how long I want the top. So that's going to prevent us from finishing the whole haircut. And then when we cut the top, we have kind of a ridge that's too heavy. So we'll go ahead and cut the top, get this established, then we can come in and start on the sides. Now we've done horizontal sections, so we're going to go through about 3 sections and do vertical sections to cross check. And this is kind of confusing, guys. We're point cutting, so we're making sure it's not even. But basically, I'm just going to go through from front to back vertically and make sure that everything looks balanced and everything's even. So our high points should be matching and our low points should be matching. Basically, the whole top should be even within those parameters. So we're just going to go through one time on each side and one time down the middle and make sure that we have it all nice and even. Then we'll dry it and start on the sides. We're going to start on the sides with a number 2. You can see the hair is all the way dry, and I'm able just to feed that number 2 straight up off the parietal ridge and into the length on top. So you guys just want to be careful, take your clipper nice and slow and let that feed into the top, and you can see I'm not going to have any blending left to do when we get done with this. So we'll cut the sides down to a 2, then we're going to come in underneath that and fade it down to a 1.5. That's going to be a good length to do our design in. We're going to do a bald taper on the sideburns, and I'll kind of walk you guys through each of the designs. Now we're going to come in with our 1.5. It is halfway open. We're going to flick right into the 2 guard that we started with. You guys shouldn't see a guideline. After we do that, I'm going to go ahead and close it up and cut the rest of the bottom half of the side of the head down to a 1.5 closed. Then we can come in and start our taper. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the design in first before we do the taper. So we're gonna do kind of a zigzag here, guys. I'm just gonna work this first line. We wanna do sharp angles. It's kind of hard to explain when we do designs, but we wanna do sharp angles. So I'm gonna bring this from the vertical bar up a little bit, and then we don't wanna do like a 90 degree, we don't want to L. So this is more like a 30-degree angle. We're gonna bring it down, then we'll do kind of a swoop towards the back, and then we will mimic the same shape that we just started. So just like I do a pivot around the ear, I'm gonna place my hand, pivot my trimmer, get a nice smooth circle up to the Z that we started with, and then we'll come up from the back of that and do another Z and take it out the back of the haircut. Now this is very important, guys. When you do the top line, you're gonna get it nice and sharp. The bottom is just gonna be what's left from the cutting blade of the trimmer. So we wanna just etch in the design, and then we'll flip the trimmer upside down and make that bottom edge as sharp as the top edge. Very important, you just etch it in, because when you get to this point, very easy to blow these lines out too thick. So we wanna keep them nice and skinny, but make sure both sides of the line are nice and sharp. Now I'm going to come in and start to fade underneath the design. We're going to taper out the sideburn. So I'm taking a 1 open from behind the ear, kind of under the design. Then we'll go ahead and close it up and do a 1 closed down closer to the sideburn. And then we'll just have a very small section to taper out into his cheek, basically. He doesn't really have a sideburn. It's still not really grown in. You guys can see it kind of looks blended already. So we will do a very slight taper and we'll move on to the other side. I'm gonna set a ball guideline with my trimmer, but you guys can see it's almost done already. So we'll set it with our trimmer, come in with the closed clipper, half open, and boom, there you go. Go ahead and edge up this C-cup, go around the ears and get a nice sharp line, and we'll move on to the other side. Alright guys, on the other side we're going to do the same exact steps. We're going to do the side and the back, and then we'll come in and do this last design on this side. He said he wants a tic-tac-toe, so we're going to try to make something that looks like a tic-tac-toe board, but something that looks cool. So you guys follow along the color guide. We did our 2 up into the top. Now we're doing the 1.5 half open and then closed, and now our 1 open underneath that. Then we'll come in, taper out the sideburns, same as before, slimlines at the bottom, go ahead and edge up the C-cup, and then we'll do our open section above that. So open clipper, closed at the bottom, halfway open above that, then we can use our 1 closed and our half guard as needed to connect that into the taper. And we'll go ahead and follow that all the way around the back. So same steps guys, 2 closed up into the top, and you guys will see that's just gonna feed right into the top. And then I think right here he grabs all the hair on the back and says, you can just leave that if you want. So like I said, this is my nephew, this is my wife's sister's son. He is a wild man, super fun cutting his hair. He always wants crazy designs. So we did the 2 closed, now we're doing the 1.5 half open. Then we'll come in with the 1 open, keep working our way down until we get to the bottom. So 1 open here, then we'll close it up, clean up the rest of that bulk, and then we'll do the rest of the taper from the bottom. Now we have a 1 closed, and we're going to take our open clipper right up into it. I'm basically flicking out at the base of the occipital. You guys can see it's basically blending in. We will use the half guard here to connect it. Then we'll go to the bottom with a closed clipper and finish up the taper. Now for the design, he said he wanted a tic-tac-toe board. So I gotta try to make something that looks cool. So we're gonna do 2 lines, kind of going following the head shape. We're gonna start at the front and they'll drop slightly in the back. We'll do 1 on top of the other, nice and even, and then we'll bring some vertical lines down into that. So again, guys, we're gonna make it really skinny, 1 pass through, take your time, use the corner of your trimmer when you get to those curved areas, and then we'll flip it upside down and touch those lines up on the bottom edge. So we wanna get those nice and sharp, then we'll move on to the vertical lines. Now we're going to throw in our vertical lines, and guys, we're basically trying to make a tic-tac-toe board. Like I said, it's going to flow with the haircut and look a little bit better than just something in the back of his head. So I'm going to space them apart the same width that the 2 lines we already did are apart. So again, we'll do 1 edge, flip the trimmer to the other edge. We'll do 2 of those, and then I'm going to do a little fade up in between the lines. You guys will see in a second, and you guys can check out the end result. Alright guys, so I'm going to fade in this section a little bit. We're going to do an open clipper. I'll close it up into the middle of that. We're just going to fade just like we would, but now we're going to go from the middle out to each side. So closed in the middle, halfway open, then open, and that's about a 1 open that we're cutting into. So you'll see me come in with the 1 closed and the half guard to connect the rest of this together. I want to go ahead and apologize for you guys. The last video did the same thing. I ended up with the finished clips of his haircut with a corrupt file. So I do not have those for you guys to see, but I do have the final pictures, and I hope that works for you. Alright guys, so there's my man Hagen before. You guys can see his hair is looking nuts. Super fun when he comes in. He always asks for some crazy designs and always keeping me on my toes. And there's the end result, guys. There is the tic-tac-toe side. I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. Hope it was helpful for you guys. If you liked it, smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the design. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got lots more content coming very soon. I appreciate all you guys that watch my videos, and I'll catch you guys next time.